answers to the questions are: when was the first Anglo-Maratha War fought? In the year from 1775 to 1782. Who introduced subsidiary alliance? Lord Wellesley in the year 1798. When was the second Anglo-Maratha War fought? 1803 to 1805. Which was the state entered the subsidiary alliance? Hyderabad. Name any two conditions of subsidiary alliance. The king who entered the subsidiary alliance had to keep the British army in his kingdom, and he has to bear all the costs, pay the wages, and give the revenue land to the British army. Anglo-Maratha War. It was fought in the year 1870 to 1880. What were the causes? First one, the Peshwa attacked the British residency in Pune. And burnt it down. They attacked the British residency in Pune and burnt it down. Second cause, Appa Saheb and Malhar Rao Appa Saheb and Malhar Rao attacked the British and was defeated by the British. Third, Baji Rao attacked the British at Koregaon and Asti and later surrendered. These were the causes. Marathas third Anglo-Maratha War fought in the year 1817 to 1818. Causes: Peshwa attacked the British residency in Pune and burnt it down. Appa Saheb and Malhar Rao attacked the British and were suppressed by the British. Baji Rao II attacked the British at Koregaon and Asti and was later surrendered. These were the causes. What are the results? Results: the British abolished Peshwa Post and gave the pension to Baji Rao II. And second one, they installed Pratap Simha as the ruler of the Satara. He belongs to the Shivaji family. These were the two causes. King of Satara. Two results of the third Anglo-Maratha War. First, these are the causes and this is the result. British abolished the Peshwa post and gave the pension to Baji Rao II, and Pratap Simha was made as a king of Satara. He belongs to the Shivaji family and he was named as the traditional ruler of the Marathas. These were the causes and results of the third Anglo-Maratha War. Start. Consolidation of British rule in India. That is 1880 to 1857. The British has annexed almost all the territory of the India, and they even included Sindh and Awadh. And also all the smaller states. Now, the second Anglo-Sikh War we'll study in the next class.